Hey all, Alex here from Tech Corner. What if I could tell you you can access your iPhone and control it from a completely different room in your house right from your Mac? Well, in iOS Sequoia, they've added a new feature called iPhone mirroring, and let me show you how to go about using it. So we're going to go ahead and launch it from our dock here. And if you don't see it in your dock, you might have to go to your applications folder. So from here, I can literally now see exactly what's on my iPhone screen while it's locked. So your iPhone doesn't wake up at all. It stays all hidden and everything, but you can literally control it right from your Mac. And the nice benefit of this is if there are certain apps on your iPhone you need to get notifications on or want to interact with and aren't supported on the Mac or the iPad, this is absolutely great. So here we are. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my YouTube channel. And as you can see, I can literally scroll through my YouTube channel and see all my videos. And I can actually play videos right from the YouTube channel and see what's going on, which is really neat. To go back, all you have to do is click the little 9 little dots here, little boxes, to go back to the main home screen. And now I can launch Facebook, which is really neat. And see my Facebook. Looks like a new Mask 3 is coming out, which is cool. Again, now if you want to go through the app switcher, you can click on the little icon that looks like a little app switcher and you can switch between apps this way too. So if I go to my photos, I can access my photos right from here, make changes. I can respond to text messages if I want, although you have text messaging app, you have the messaging app right there. But if there are specific apps like social media apps that aren't supported on Mac, like Snapchat or something like that, this is where you can literally respond right from your Mac and not have to go hunting for your phone if it's in a whole separate room of the house. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to throw a thumbs up if you want to support this channel or find this information, if this channel useful. Feel free to subscribe and click that bell notification to receive alerts when new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching.